Whole life insurance versus term insurance. What's the difference? Watch till the end. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click the notification bell. Again, I'm Argel Tiburcio, a book author, licensed financial advisor, and financial literacy advocate. And for this video, we'll be talking about what's the difference between whole life insurance and term insurance. Let's go! If you've been shopping for different kinds of life insurance, you may have encountered these two terms, right? Whole life insurance and term insurance. Let's take a look at the difference. First, let's start with the definition. What is whole life insurance? Let's have a look. Whole life insurance, as the name implies, it provides coverage for the life of the insured. And typically, that means 100 years of age, up to 100 years of age. In addition to paying a death benefit when something happens, whole life insurance also contains a savings component in which cash values may accumulate. In contrast, term life insurance, also known as pure life insurance, is a type of life insurance that guarantees payment of the death benefits, again, if the covered person dies during a specified term. But you know what? These kinds of videos are boring, right? Because you can just Google or search for the definitions of whole life versus term life. So that's not what we'll do in this video. In this video, we'll be focusing more on an analogy so that it will be better translated or communicated to you as you view this video. What is a great analogy for you to distinguish between whole life and term life insurance? An analogy that's very relatable is if we compare whole life insurance with buying a house and renting a house. Because buying a house is like having whole life insurance. It's for you permanently. And renting a house is like having term life insurance. So you see, that's the best and simplest analogy that we can relate to whole life and term life insurance. So in what ways is buying a house similar to whole life? And what ways is renting a house similar to term life insurance? So let's have a look. So in buying a house or whole life insurance, first, similar to buying a house, of course, it's yours until you decide to sell it. In whole life insurance, you can surrender your whole life policy if you don't want it anymore. Similar to owning a house. If you don't like your house anymore, you can sell it. Also, when you buy a house, you build up equity on your house, right? When you pay down your mortgage, for example, you build up this equity that you have on your house. In whole life insurance, as you remember in the definition a few minutes ago, it has cash value. It has a savings part which you can loan from your policy. So this cash value builds up as you continue saving to your whole life insurance. Now, let's go and move over to renting a house or having term life insurance. In renting a house, you rent for a specified time period, right? And you decide whether you will renew your lease or your rental agreement. Term insurance is also renewable. If you think that your term insurance is still relevant, then go ahead and renew until such time that maybe you want to go to a permanent house. So you buy your own house, and similarly, if you have the capacity or it's more relevant for you to own your own whole life insurance, you can have your term insurance. You don't have to renew it and then go and create or own your whole life insurance policy. Rent increases when you renew due to inflation, the housing inflation rates. Similarly, term insurance premiums or the payments we make for our term insurance go higher as we age. So if you have a yearly renewable term insurance, that means every year your premiums will be higher as you progress with your age. If you have a 5-year term insurance, that means every 5 years your premiums change. So that's how it relates to renting a house. Now, the next question is, since you are here in this video, maybe you are choosing between whole life and term insurance. So my question is, which would you prefer? Which is more relevant to your needs? You see, I'm a licensed financial advisor from AIA Film Life. And if you go to my Facebook page, you can send me a message there and we can discuss which policy is better for you at this point in your life. That's where I come in as your personal financial advisor. Like, we will assess your needs, your wants, and your current financial situation so we can check if term insurance is more relevant for you right now versus whole life insurance. In Film Life, there are a couple of whole life insurances that you can avail online through me as your personal financial advisor. First is AIA Critical Protect 100. Essentially, AIA Critical Protect 100, or in short, ACP 100, protects you from 100 critical illnesses up to age 100. What's unique about ACP 100 is the critical illnesses usually come out when people are in their advanced ages, right? More than 65, let's say 70, 80. And at that age, no HMOs or a few HMOs only cover a few benefits. So with the AIA Critical Protect 100 or ACP 100, you are protected up to age 100 from the top dreaded diseases. So you have a health fund as you age. And another whole life insurance policy is AIA All-in-One. I recommend this for first-time insurance buyers. Why? Because it protects the insured with the benefit of life insurance, accident insurance, and critical illness coverage in one plan. That's why it's AIA All-in-One. Now, let's move over to our term insurance in Film Life. We have a Guardian life insurance that you can have yearly. You can renew it yearly or every 5 years. Or if you want, you can have term insurance up to the age of 65. Again, if you are interested in your own personalized and customized whole life insurance plan or term life insurance plan, don't hesitate to go to my Facebook page and message me there so that I can customize your plan for you. Thank you for watching this short video. If you're still here, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell. This is Argel Tiburcio, a book author, licensed financial advisor, and financial literacy advocate. See you again on my next videos. If ever you want to be part of my team of professional financial advisors, you can also contact me through my Facebook page or go to argeltiburcio.com/join. I will help you start becoming an insurance entrepreneur online.